Oh, my awesome divine friends. Yogi's in dude here. A little hike and a wash here in Red Rock Canyon. Just did sound healing back there with one of my new crystal singing bowls. And thought I'd share a little bit of this walk with you here, coming up this wash. And find a place to do another sound healing video. Nice being able to carry it in this padded case too. If you want one of these crystal singing bowls and these carrying bags, just let me know. I love walking in washes. Hey, how you guys doing? Having too much fun. Yeah, you're famous now. Again. Hi.
How's it going?
Beautiful, beautiful. Again, this is a wash in Red Rock Canyon. There's a name for it too. I saw the sign there, but I didn't stamp the name of it on my brain. But I think on the scenic drive here, it's the second place. I think it's the second place you can pull over. There's a bathroom at the second one. There goes a jetway up there in the sky along that red rock on the right. Look at those big rocks just falling off the face there and laying there. I think I found the place for my next video right here. Next sound healing video. Ooh wee. Peace, love, and light. Next will be the sound healing video right here. Peace, have too much fun. I'll put a link to the post that these videos are in right underneath this video.